Take two. So hi, my name is Rivu Banerjee and welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how I shoot my YouTube video inside this small bedroom home studio, and I'll show you all the gears I used, the techniques I used, why I used them, and how you can use these processes to improve your talking head videos. The number one and very important thing is the background. I got this paper backdrop on a metal stand. These are the cloth ones and this is the paper one. The good thing about this is it doesn't get wrinkled. You get a very clean looking image like this. And now I'm going to set my tripod. Yes, this is not a water bottle. This is my full length tripod. This is the Peak Design travel tripod. Ooh, look at how quickly I can set it up. And this is my editing setup. I'll show my editing setup and sound recording and everything in another video. So now I'm going to show you my camera setup. So I've got the Sony a7S III on a Peak Design travel tripod to inside the small rig cage with the small rig top handle. And for the lens, I have the Sigma 24-70 f2.8 DGDN art lens. I have a Field World f6 Plus monitor on it. This is a fully touchscreen monitor. It's really helpful to monitor the audio level, to check the focus, and with me I have a wireless lav, the Rode Wireless Go 2. I have another camera, the Canon M50, which I use as a B cam now after getting the Sony a7S III. So this is basically my camera setup. Let me show it to you. This is from the camera's point of view. This is my POV. So next I'm going to set up the table, and this is the challenge of shooting videos in a small room like this. When I'm even sleeping in my room, I'm eating in my room, doing my editing setup, everything in one room. So this is a very big challenge for me to get everything organized in one room. Overall, the thing is that I'll set the table in such a way that it is aligned with the camera. While setting up the background, I also keep this gray card. I can adjust the white balance using this. Now, very important part, setting up the lights. For the lights, I have the Godox Sl-60. I've even made a video on this. Now first thing, setting up the key light. I'll set up this Godox Sl-60 with this 80cm softbox. I'll keep it at a 45-degree angle, as close to my face as possible. And I have this remote in which I can adjust the color temperature, change the intensity of the light. So I'll adjust the lighting, maybe make it a bit more moody. And you have to be careful. You have to see that if the image is not overexposed. I'm looking at the monitor over the camera. So now I can keep it like this, or I can use this light. This is the Amaran M9 as a fill light. So what the fill light will do is that it will cut down the shadows, or you can use a reflector also. I have got a reflector, but I don't have space to put that reflector over here. So now I'm well lit. If I want to give an RGB look, this is a Harrison RGB panel I have. It is so frustrating shooting videos when there is so much noise. That is why previously I prefer shooting videos at midnight. It has two modes. One is a normal daylight mode. Another one is the RGB mode. So for now I'll use the RGB mode. So I can change the temperature, the knobs over here. Which one is looking good? I can mix the colors. Here I've given a blue hue in the background using this RGB panel. I'll give the link of all these products in the description below. If you use the links, it will help the channel. So I've got one key light, one backlight over here, lighting up the background. Where is the Aputure Mc? I can use this as a fill light. It will give like a different hue to my face, create a color contrast. Or in this case, I can attach this in the background. I have these small rig clamps. I'll attach this on this clamp. So by this you'll get a even balance, because dono ka intensity alag hai. These clamps are so useful if you have a home studio setup. Here also I've got a clamp over here. I can mount another light, a microphone. Here is the key light looking over me. It's kept like moreover close to a 45-degree angle to me. Next is audio. I'm using the Rode Video Mic NTG shotgun microphone. One very important thing about audio is that if you are in a room like this room is not treated. So there is a lot of echo. When recording, try to keep the microphone as close to your mouth. So I'll mount my video mic NTG over here. So with this extension Rode cable, attach it with the camera. I can adjust the volume so it's not peaking. I can see it on the monitor. Hello, check. The reason I'm using the microphone over here is that as the microphone is closer to my mouth, the quality of the recording will be better and it will catch less of the room reverb or the echo. So try to keep the microphone as close as possible. और एक अच्छा टेक्निक है, आप एक बूम पोल से ऊपर ऐसे रख सकते हैं. So this is how I mount my microphone so that I get a clean audio. I can see the audio levels over there. Another good thing about this camera and the monitor is that I can attach a headphone and I can monitor the audio. So everything set up, everything looking good. I do the light test, see if the lights are okay. I'm not overexposed or I'm not underexposed. I'm lit properly and the audio is okay. It's not clipping, and then I press record. Hi, my name is Sourav Banerjee and welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how I shoot my YouTube videos in my home studio. So this was the whole process. So now you can understand so much work and technique goes before pressing the record button. It's looking very simple. Just I'm sitting in front of the camera and I'm talking to you, but so much work goes behind it. Lighting is very important. See, so many lights, 1 2 3 4. I'm using 4 lights, so the whole look is created with lights. You have to monitor the audio, how you will place a microphone, how you will mount the microphone. The placement of the microphone is very important, and over there also camera settings, the way you are exposing. So by this way you get a good professional looking YouTube talking head video. Another tip, look towards the lens and speak, because if you are looking towards the screen, camera monitor, it'll look like this. It'll look like you're talking to someone else, or if I look right now to the monitor above, it'll feel like this. Before shooting, charge your camera batteries, switch off the fan, the AC and everything. Those will create a very bad noise in your audio. So always switch off the fan, always switch off the AC or any other appliance which is creating any noise. So thank you for watching. If you find these videos entertaining and helpful, please subscribe and press the bell notification so you get notified whenever I post new videos. If you have any questions regarding this setup, let me know in the comments below. I'll make other dedicated videos also on many of the gears I'm using in this video. And another thing which I want to add is that you don't need so much of gear to make YouTube videos. This is my profession. I'm a professional filmmaker, video editor. So over the years I've accumulated all these gears, and because this is what I do for a living, and I only spend my money on camera gear. I just shared all this info to give you an idea that when we see other YouTubers getting this look, okay, these videos are looking so good, you have to understand so much work and experience. I'll show you my first video. This was my first YouTube video which I posted. See, no lights, no microphone, nothing. Just an iPhone, just put it over that table and I just spoke. And this is the difference which happened after creating 165 videos. Keep on making videos. You just need a place, maybe a mini tripod, a tripod to mount your phone or your camera. Just use a good background, maybe a clean wall. Lighting is very important. If you're using one light, use a proper light. If you have a ring light, then it's okay. Try to use a soft box lighting like this. You can check out the video I've made on the soft box lighting on the Godox Sl-60 and why you should use the soft box lighting. Use a good light. Audio is very, very, very important. Use a good microphone. Place it properly. Microphone placement is very important. And these are the basic things. And as you go on making videos, as you go on developing your skills, buy more gear, as you earn more money, the skill is main. Even with Sony A7S3, if I switch off the lights, if I switch off this microphone and everything, the video will not be good, because this is a combination of everything. So I'm rambling. Thank you for watching. Bye. And don't forget to press record.